Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Streamtech. As we're getting bigger, I keep getting a lot of people asking me for YouTube videos or how-to videos. So I'm just going to do a few of them pretty quick today. The first one I'm going to do here now is how to download the Streamtech Xtreme app. So first, you're going to just go to our website. It's streamtech.live, and you're going to click on download. Excuse my internet connection is extremely slow. I'm running off a Wi-Fi extender on the other end of my house. This page is going to come up. You're going to click right here. It's going to ask you if you want to download this file. Click download. It'll show it to you right there. Then this will pop up. You're going to click on install. This is a brand new box, so I'm just declining that. Apps installed, they're going to open it up. It's going to ask you if you want to download Media Center. All right. I'm going to pause it and drink my coffee while this is downloading, then I'll come right back to it. Alright, so now we're at 100% of the download. You'll see up here at the top, StreamTech Live Player. Click install. This part takes a few minutes, so just be patient with it. It depends on what type of box you're using. I always suggest use a 2 gig RAM higher box. And then you'll see the app launch. StreamTech Live. You see this. Please close the window and return to your StreamTech Live app. So go ahead, we'll close it. And then it'll say right here, Media Center downloaded. Click next. Agree. And StreamTech Live is updating. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pause it again while this is happening. The faster the box that you have, the faster this process is going to take. I know there's some people out there that are still using 1 gig boxes, and there's some people out there that are using Amazon Fire Sticks. That's fine, but just realize it's going to take longer. Also, this app will work on any Android device, but what I am going to explain to you is it's set up for mouse. Now you can go in the settings and change it for touchscreen, but I usually advise people, if you're going to use your phone, for example, I use my phone just to cast to my television in my bedroom. There's 2 other options. One of them is the browser option, which will allow you to cast to a Chromecast or smart television. I'll do that video next. And then there's also another app called GSE IPTV, and there's one called Xtreme IPTV. I use the GSE IPTV, I think, just because I'm used to it. But if you're using your phone, that's what I always suggest, because once you get this app downloaded on your phone, it's a pain to try to get it into the settings and then go from mouse to touch. If you're using an Android box, some people call them Kodi boxes, or if you're using a Amazon Fire Stick, you can download this app and you'll be fine. It'll work. So I'm gonna pause the video right here. You'll see it says extracting files. I'm using a 2 gig box. It's the 2017 Leo box. I love these things. They're affordable. I've kind of hacked mine a little bit. I've replaced the processor with a different processor, but you could buy these boxes on Amazon. You can buy them from us. I'm sure if you go on Craigslist or Facebook Market, there's someone in your area selling these boxes. Just make sure that it's at least 2 gigs of RAM. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this while it's extracting the files, and then I'll resume as soon as we're about like 85-90%. Also, if you have any questions, drop a question below, or a comment, or if there's any videos you'd like to see me make, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. Alright, we're just about 80% now. I want to start it back up because I'm actually using like this little mini tripod and a Galaxy S7 to record the video. Doing it the least technical I can right now. The screen record, for some reason, the screen record on my software on my PC glitches constantly, and I've tried like 5 or 6 different ones, even the paid ones. But alright, so sometimes you see it hit like 88% and then it'll click out. It's done updating, just the numbers didn't catch up to it. And then you see this. Boom, here's your app. So while this is loading, here's what I'm gonna tell you. Give this 2 or 3 minutes to load. So you have your time and date up here. You have your guide, your sports guide, which is going to show all your sports daily. TV catch up, which is a 7-day delay on a bunch of the TV channels that we have. So for instance, there was a baseball game that you wanted to see, or a football game, or a NASCAR race, whatever it is, or even a television show, you can click right on TV catch up, and I'll do a complete demo of the app in another video. This is just the install. You have apps that come pre-installed onto our APK file. You have your music tab, exit. So you're gonna get this pop up. See where it says downloading guide here? So I'm gonna put in my username and password. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna pause it. All right, so once you put your username and password in, you're just gonna come down here and click OK. And then, excuse this frame, guys, this is horrible. I'm gonna have to get that screen record to work. Give it some time. So you're gonna see this. We need to restart the application. Click yes. After you click yes, just give it some time and it'll load up. Alright, so what I ended up doing was just rebooting the box real quick. And then I just wanted to add the shortcut here. So I'm going to click right here on the STREAMTECH app. Whenever you see this, would you like to update again for fresh start? Click no, unless you're on the phone with tech support and they tell you to click yes. So this is going to boot up. Now, here's what I always tell everyone. Make sure you go all the way to the right to where it says configure, and make sure that your username and password are still in there. So as you can see, I clicked on, I actually paused the video for a minute. The first time it's run into a lot of stuff. So you can see if your username and password are in here, that means you entered it correctly. And you'll see up at the top here, importing guides. So I'm just gonna back out. We'll let it do its thing real quick. Up at the top. Alright, so there you go. We have the complete install. Everything's up and running perfectly. All in all, it should take you about 12 to 15 minutes depending on how fast your machine is. Like I said before, if you have any questions, shoot us an email, streamtechlive@gmail.com, or go ahead and drop a question or a comment in the comment section below. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see all the new updates. Every time we do an update on the app, you get a notification. All right, I appreciate it, guys. Have a good day.